Are you on a keto diet but you beat food cravings? You are not alone, and in this video we cover tips to conquer cravings. Also, we are going to come up with some easy keto snack ideas and recommend kitchen tricks to melt away fat faster. So watch the entire video since we share a lot of useful information. When you start a ketogenic diet, your body goes through changes. It begins to use fat as its main fuel. When your body starts burning fat instead of carbs, you might feel like eating sugary or starchy foods. Carb reduction lowers insulin levels. This hormone helps control blood sugar. Lower insulin levels can make you feel hungrier and crave high-carb foods. The brain also plays a role. It gets used to the quick energy carbs provide. Even though your body now uses fat better, the brain may keep craving carbs. Let's take a closer look first at the science behind keto diet and appetite control. When you're in ketosis, your body uses fat for energy instead of carbs. This change leads to the creation of ketones. These ketones help control hunger and make you feel full. Also, the keto diet focuses on healthy fats and proteins. This keeps you feeling full and energized. It prevents the energy crashes and cravings that come with carb-heavy diets. Together, ketones and these nutrients help keep your blood sugar stable and hunger under control. Knowing what triggers these cravings is key to sticking to your diet and getting the most out of it. Feeling stressed, anxious, or bored can make you want carbs. Your brain might look for foods high in carbs as a comfort. Seeing or eating foods with lots of carbs can also make you crave them. Other reasons for carb cravings include changes in hormones, not getting enough nutrients, or being dehydrated. Making sure you get enough minerals, electrolytes, and healthy fats can help. It helps your body adjust to the keto lifestyle. Now let's talk about the importance of essential nutrients and meal planning to prevent food craving. Important nutrients are vital to prevent food craving. Healthy fats, like those in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, also help you feel full. This makes it easier to say no to foods high in carbs. Micronutrients like magnesium, zinc, and chromium are important for keeping blood sugar levels stable. They help you have steady energy all day. If you're missing these minerals, you might feel hungrier and have trouble staying in ketosis. Eating a variety of low-carb, nutrient-rich foods is important. Include leafy greens, berries, and fatty fish in your diet. This ensures you get the vitamins and minerals your body needs to do well on a low-carb diet. By focusing on a diet full of nutrients, you can fight off cravings and stay in ketosis. Beating cravings on a ketogenic diet begins with smart meal planning. Plan your meals and snacks with high-fat, nutrient-rich foods. This way, you're less likely to crave carbs. Focus on keto-friendly foods that help your body stay in ketosis, such as nuts, seeds, and fatty meats keep you full, making it easier to avoid sugary or starchy snacks that can mess up your diet. Don't forget to add low-carb veggies to your meals, for example spinach and cruciferous veggies. You might ask, what are some practical tips to manage sugar cravings and natural supplements that support ketosis? When you feel the urge for sweets, try something else. Go for a walk, call a friend, or do something you love. Swapping sweets for low-carb foods like berries or dark chocolate can also help. This way, you can satisfy your craving without ruining your diet. Being mindful while eating can also help control sugar cravings. Eat slowly, enjoy each bite, and notice how you feel. This helps you tell if you're really hungry or just craving something sweet. It makes choosing what to eat easier. Adding regular exercise to your keto diet can change the game for managing cravings. Exercise works by releasing endorphins, which calm you down and reduce cravings. It also makes your body better at using insulin, keeping you in ketosis and avoiding blood sugar spikes. There are many ways to exercise, but the most important thing is to be consistent and enjoy what you do. The keto diet is more than a diet, it's a lifestyle change. With the right knowledge and mindset, you can beat cravings and enjoy the keto lifestyle. And now let's see some easy, low-carb snack treats. Nuts and seeds like almonds, pecans, and pumpkin seeds are great. They're perfect for when you're on the move. Add cheese sticks or slices for extra protein. Olives or celery with guacamole make for a tasty keto snack. In keto-friendly snacking, simplicity is key. You can make tasty and fulfilling low-carb treats with just a few ingredients. Try mixing creamy avocado with salt and pepper for a nutrient-rich snack. Cucumber slices with cream cheese are refreshing and crunchy. For a savory snack, roll up deli meat with keto-friendly cheese. Homemade vegetable chips are a simple snack to grab and go. Slice zucchini, eggplant, or radishes thinly, toss with olive oil and seasonings, and bake until crispy. When buying packaged keto snacks, always check the labels. Look for snacks with low net carbs and no hidden sugars. Start by getting a portable cooler or insulated lunch bag. This keeps your keto snacks fresh and easy to grab. Choose snacks that are high in fat and low in carbs for easy keto snacking. Think about cheese sticks, hard-boiled eggs, nut butter packets, or keto protein bars. These snacks are not only tasty but also help you stick to your keto diet, wherever you are. When you're out with friends or eating at a restaurant, speak up about your dietary needs. Ask restaurants to make keto-friendly options for you. And, bring your own keto snacks to parties. With a bit of planning, you can keep up with your keto lifestyle, even when you're busy. And as we promised at the beginning of this video, let's discuss some kitchen tricks to melt away belly fat faster. Getting a flat, toned belly often begins in the kitchen. Some foods have special fat-burning powers. Green tea, for example, is full of catechins. Drinking a cup of green tea every day can help your body burn belly fat. It gives your metabolism the boost it needs. Apple cider vinegar is another strong kitchen ingredient. It has acetic acid, which studies say helps burn fat and reduce belly fat. Adding a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to your water or salad dressing is an easy way to add this fat-burning aid to your diet. Don't overlook the power of lean proteins. Foods like chicken, turkey, and fish are full of amino acids. These help keep your muscle mass while you're losing weight, supporting your fat-burning goals. Certain spices can help speed up your metabolism and aid in fat loss. Consider adding the following to your meals. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which may help boost metabolism. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It can also aid digestion. Cinnamon may help regulate blood sugar levels, which can prevent cravings. Developing smart kitchen habits can really help you lose visceral fat. Start by meal prepping. Plan your meals ahead and portion them out. This keeps calorie intake in check and helps you avoid snacking. Declutter processed foods. Remove sugary snacks, chips, and other processed items from your pantry. Keeping these foods out of sight reduces temptation and helps you stick to healthier options. Incorporate probiotics. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi can help support gut health, which is linked to weight management. Consider making homemade fermented foods to save money and control ingredients. Mindful eating is also key for trimming your waist. Eat slowly, enjoy each bite, and listen to your hunger and fullness. This helps prevent overeating and keeps portion sizes right. Batch cook. Prepare large quantities of healthy meals that can be portioned and stored in the fridge or freezer. This strategy saves time and ensures you have nutritious meals on hand. Label everything. Use clear containers to store food and label them with dates. This helps you keep track of freshness and reduces waste. Track what you eat to identify patterns and areas for improvement. This can increase accountability and help you stay on track. Drinking water is important for losing belly fat. Drink water all day and choose unsweetened drinks over sugary ones. Staying hydrated boosts your metabolism and reduces cravings for junk snacks. The right kitchen tools can help a lot. A digital food scale helps you keep portion sizes right by measuring ingredients accurately. This is key for any diet that blasts fat. Blenders are also essential. They let you make smoothies full of nutrients and belly-flattening foods. A steamer is another great tool. It cooks meals in a healthy, low-fat way. Steaming keeps vitamins and minerals in your veggies and lean proteins without extra calories or bad fats. Remember, consistency is key, and small changes can lead to significant results over time. Start implementing these tips today, and watch how your kitchen transforms into a powerful tool in your journey toward a healthier you. We hope you have enjoyed this video presentation, and please, subscribe to our channel for future educational videos about healthy eating and ketogenic diet tips.